Okay, just coming back from my road walk this morning, so I decided to show you a demo of the seed container, making your seed containers with leaf, the leaf road seed container, before I get engaged with these activities. So the first I mentioned mango, the mango leaf, and I also mentioned the banana or plantain leaf. So we are going to use that this morning. So apart from the leaf, what you need this toothpick. You need toothpick, huh? Toothpick, or you make use of broomstick. If you cannot get toothpick, you can actually improvise with the broomstick. So starting with that of the mango leaf, look at this is a mango leaf. I've plucked one, as you can see. So I'm going to make a roll with it, something like this round, to form a kind of container for me. Can you see? Something like this. Then so that the leaf will not separate, the roll will not separate, I am going to hold it down with, or let's use the word staple. I am going to staple it with the toothpick, as you can see. So I staple it with toothpick. You can remove this strong part off. So we have a roll, we have a seed container. Can you see that? And pick another one, just to make another one in your presence. Now you can see I roll it in, cut off this hard part so it will make it easier for you. So I roll the leaf, as the word says, leaf roll. Then I staple it with my toothpick. Can you see? You insert from the inside again, you push it out, so it gives you something like this. Can you see it? So at least I've made two seed roll. You can just continue. What you just do is you now you arrange the seed container maybe in a place flat on the ground. Then you fill it up with your substrate, that is your potting mix, your seedling medium. If you are making use of the banana or plantain leaf, you can just have it like this. I'm going to remove a part of it. Okay, let's say we have this like this. Can you see? So I'm going to remove a part of it like this. Okay, so you can even double it if you want, so that it will become thicker. So you can see the way I roll it up. Then I need something to staple it. Like you can make use of your broomstick or your toothpick. You can see container is made, your seedling container is made. I'm going to quickly make another with that. Sorry, I'm making use of what I have this morning. The knife is not closer to me, so you can see I've rolled it. Now I pick a toothpick and I insert. Can you see? I staple it with the toothpick, and seed roll is done. These are the the leaf rolls for my seedlings, which I have made from plantain leaves, and these are the ones I have made from mango leaf. So it can save you, it saves cost of actually getting your seed tray, and you can always provide. And the next thing, you can tend to get a place where you can arrange them and set them around like that field. Then you have your substrate in it, then you plant. And you see that? I love you.